All right, why does this fan sound like that? So there are many types of bathroom fans. Basically, concept is the same. All they have just single motor, and it has blades, different design blades. So some plastic, some aluminum, some metal. So what happens many times, it just gets pretty dusty, and that's why your bathroom fan may work pretty heavy and pretty much create that loud sound. And in most cases, it takes is just to get dust cleaner spray and pretty much clean up the blades. Or if it doesn't have if it's too heavy, it's rusted and it's super old, you can just get a motor, and the motors are super cheap as well. But in my case, in this example where that motor was sounding super bad, what I had to do is quickly remove the cover. And these are the new types. These came out very recently, I believe, with this long plastic blades like this. And what happened in my case, you can see, I will zoom in. Basically, it broke, but it's very hard to see, and that's why it was creating that such of a bad sound. So all it takes is just to remove this motor and replace it.